Welcome everybody. I'm glad you could join me today. My name is Jerry. Let's talk about the top 3 best entry exit combos for April 8th through the 12th. Let's just confirm that. Sorry, April 9th. Yeah, April 8th through the 12th, okay? So the last 3 trading days, last Thursday, Friday, and today is Monday the 12th, okay? So for those who haven't watched my previous videos, what we do here every day is we're going to talk about day trading. What is the exact best entry point in the day? Okay, we're both going to look at the long side and short side opportunities. Now, lately the long side's been crushing it. Okay, and we're going to look at that right now. So let's get right into this. What is the top number 1 best entry exit combo or time to enter and exit for day trading? And this is specifically the S&P 500 SPY ETF, okay? But you could apply this to futures as well, the E-mini S&P 500 futures. Okay, so number 1 best entry exit combo. The entry for the last 3 days has been 9:43 a.m. That's right, that changed since yesterday. So 9:43 a.m. and the exit was the last minute of the day just before trading at 2:59. I'm in Central Time here in Texas, United States of America. If you're on the East Coast, New York, Florida, whatever, add 1 hour. Mountain Time, you're going to subtract an hour. If you're on the Pacific Coast, California, you're going to subtract 2 hours. So just make your adjustments for what you're seeing here in the video, okay? Now, if you did make that trade, and let's just say you had a position of 10 shares, you made $50 for the day. Okay, 50 shares would be $250, 100 shares, $500, 200 shares would be $999. Man, that's really good. And 300 shares, which is what I tend to trade, nearly $1,500. Really, really nice. Okay, the second best entry exit combo for day trading was again entering at 9:43 a.m., but this time exiting at 2:54 in the afternoon or 3:54 on the East Coast. And the money's almost identical, just a few bucks less. You can see the amounts there for the size of the position you might be holding, okay? These are just examples of positions, guys and gals, just so you get an idea how much money you could potentially make if you're trading the absolute best entry and exit points throughout the day, okay? And the number 3 best entry exit combo on the long side was at 9:46 a.m. and exiting at the last minute of the day, 2:59. And again, the money was almost identical, just a little bit less. Looks like some of the math there might be just a little bit off. But so that's pretty good for, I'd say really good actually for entry exit day trading. That's some serious bucks right there, okay? If you're making $1,500 a day, that's some good money. Okay, now let's look down there at the short side. You can see on the short side there, it's nowhere near as profitable. So this is not the time to be shorting. Now, for you guys and gals that like to short and you just have an affinity for shorting, yeah, there's some opportunity there, but it's not very good. And for me personally, in an up market like this, that's very risky to be doing short side trading. You're going to have to really nail it. Okay, in a down market, yeah, by all means, short the heck out of it. I know I do. But let's go through the shorts real quick here. The number 1 best entry exit combo on the SPY for short side trade would be at 8:33 in the morning and getting out at 9:43. And you can see the money that you would make there depending on the size of your position. Not a whole lot of money being made there. So like I said before, probably not really worth taking the risk here. And you can see the other 2 entry exit points for the short sides, number 2 and 3 positions. One's at 9 o'clock in the morning and exiting at 9:43 a.m. And the other one's at 9:01 a.m. exiting at 9:43 a.m. Okay, so clearly it should be obvious, at least for now, that the long side trade is dominating in the stock market. Okay, now let's take a quick look here at the daily 1-minute chart. So let's look at before us right here, the daily 1-minute chart. Pretty active day, a lot of up and down. You can see in the morning there at 8:30 on the far left, the market came in right at the opening bell. Things pretty much hot and took off, went up pretty decent amount. In typical fashion, it came down, a little bit later on there in the morning. This is very common when you have some strong side trading on the long side. You know, it might be 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock. You always get this downside after the opening bell, and all the sell-off tends to come in. And then again, once again, just like yesterday, you can see at the end of the day here, just a monster finish to the day. Absolute monster finish to the day. So I do want to say one thing. I do keep track of the stock market and when I think it might pull back. And I'm not going to say that it's going to pull back for certain, but there are indications, some subtle indications, that on the daily chart anyway, that which there could be a pullback coming. Seeing some maybe some indications that the market's beginning to run out of gas. So just keep that in mind as we make these long side trades. You know, maybe just back off in the size of your position a little bit, just to be a little cautious, because sometimes when that break comes, it comes really hard right in the middle of the day when people least expect it. Okay, listen, if you haven't subscribed on my YouTube channel, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Please click that subscribe button, and we'll be right back here again tomorrow with the top 3 best entry and exit combos in the stock market. Until then, see ya.